Hi all, greetings from Wig Bangladesh, your doorway to exquisite transformations and endless possibilities in the world of hair fashion. We are thrilled to be your partner on your journey to a more confident and vibrant you. Let's dive into something truly amazing, the golden blonde monofilament wig. It's like a magic touch of your hair that makes you feel super special. Imagine having beautiful hair that's 18 inches long and colored in a lovely golden blonde shade. The hair has a nice wave, about 32 mm of curls, adding a cool style to it. And the base size is 12 into 14 into 23 inches. This is the measurement of circumference. It's designed to feel comfy and fit just right. It's also breathable and durable, making sure you are comfortable while turning heads. It's your partner in style, helping you show off your unique self. Get ready to feel amazing with the golden blonde monofilament wig. For more information, check our website www.wigbd.com. Need quick answers? Reach out us on WhatsApp for speedy replies. Until our next video, take care and bye-bye.